Well, if chemistry is the study of matter, the next question is, what is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Mass just means that it's affected by gravity. Takes up space means that it has volume. That pretty much includes everything. So, here are some objects. Do they qualify as matter? What about a lemon? Is it matter? Yes. How do you know? Well, it has mass and takes up space. Then can we study it in chemistry? Sure. There's all kinds of chemistry going on in a lemon. We will look at lemons in Module 8 when we talk about smells, and again in Module 11 when we talk about acids. What about cinnamon? Is it matter? Yes. Are diamonds matter? Yes. Is antifreeze made of matter? Yes, it is. What about a gold ring? Yep. Do you like salt on your food? Is it matter? Yes, it is. What about some rope? Yes. Hand warmers? Sure. Okay, so all of these things are made of matter. All of these are things that we can take a closer look at when we study chemistry. Just to give you an idea, we will talk about cinnamon in Module 8 and look at the molecule that's responsible for its lovely smell. We'll talk about diamonds in Module 1 and 2, and you'll see why they're so strong and so shiny. We'll talk about antifreeze in Module 7 when we talk about small molecules and how they're put together. We'll look at gold in this module and in Module 5 when we talk about alloys, such as the one that's used to make gold jewelry. We'll talk about salt in Module 11 when we look at how salts work. We'll talk about rope in Module 9 when we learn about polymers. And we'll look at hand warmers when we talk about chemical reactions in Module 6. And again when we talk about fire in Module 12. So all kinds of everyday common things are made of matter, and we can study and understand them better by learning the principles of chemistry. Sometimes people think about chemistry as only being about weird esoteric substances that are only found in chemistry labs. But all the stuff around you is made of matter. And by understanding how matter works, you can understand more about all the substances in the world around you. Does matter ever undergo any changes? Well, yes. But it's not always obvious. If you look around you right now, the matter that you see is mostly just sitting there, not changing. But if you start looking around as you go throughout your day, you'll discover that all kinds of changes are happening. Lots of it you even make happen. You cook food, you burn gasoline in your car, wash oils off your hands with soap, etc. Your body is a chemical machine. You are doing chemical reactions galore right this minute. That's what's keeping you alive. Here are some of the changes that we'll be looking at in this class. This is dry ice in water. It's going from a solid to a gas. We'll look at that more in Module 4. This is a candle. Burning is one of the more drastic chemical changes, and we'll look at what happens when things burn in Module 12. Leaves changing color is also a chemical reaction. We'll look at that in Module 6. Is there anything that is not made of matter? Well, hint. Light. Light is about the only common thing that we experience that is not matter. It doesn't have mass or take up space. There are some other forms of energy that are also not matter, but this is by far the most common. Now, light does interact with matter all the time. Matter creates light, and it can absorb it and reflect it and so on, but light itself is not matter. So you can think of chemistry as the study of all the stuff in the universe. Stuff that's alive, stuff that's not, stuff in the stars, stuff on the earth. It's all part of the matter in the universe. And what can happen to the stuff? How does it change? So that's what we're going to do.